Looking to revisit your LinkedIn connections or manage your network more efficiently, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find your full connection list. Let's jump right into it and simplify your networking. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to linkedin.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Step 2. On the homepage, find the Manage My Network section, then click Connections. Step 3. Here, you'll see your entire list of LinkedIn connections. You can scroll through them easily. Step 4. Click the Sort option to organize them by recent, first name, or last name. Step 5. Use the search bar to find a specific person, or apply filters like current company or location for better precision. Bonus tip: you can also export your connections by going to Settings, then Data Privacy, and then get a copy of your data. This is great for keeping backups or managing your contacts offline. And that's how you access and manage your LinkedIn connections with ease. Whether you're reconnecting or cleaning up your list, these steps help you stay organized. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more career boosting tips. See you next time!